Welcome to the Math Crew, where we learn new things and grow in mathematics. I'm Miss Nisha, your math teacher. Let's get started. Today we're going to practice converting improper fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction with a larger numerator than denominator. It has a value greater than 1 whole. So anytime this numerator is larger than your denominator, it's an improper fraction. Please memorize this. Make sure you understand this definition and what it looks like, because you're going to see improper fractions quite often in 5th grade. Now, what you're going to do is always remember that fraction also means dividing, right? So 13 thirds is the same as you place the numerator inside of the tent or the house, however you remember it. Put the 13 inside, and then the 3 is going to go outside. A, B. I also have students do this. A, B. A goes in, B stays out of the house. Whatever you need to do to always remember that. So now we're going to divide, then we're going to label our quotient and correctly create this mixed number. 3 goes into 13 how many times? 3, 6, 9, 12. Hopefully you said 4 times. 4 times 3, again, is 12. After we multiply, we what? If you forget your steps, remember, quickly just jot down the acronym. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. If you're using the box method, it will be bring up and repeat. 4 times 3 is 12. After we multiply, we subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. We don't have anything to bring down, so we're done. Most students make a mistake when using traditional division because they don't know when to stop or if they should continue. If you don't have anything to bring down, you're done. This number is your remainder. Now let's label. 4, that number on top will always be your whole number. Whatever number is up here is always the whole number. Okay. The remainder is always your numerator. Okay. So you can write an N for numerator. Again, the number up here, your whole, you have 4 wholes. That's your whole number. So we put a W. And the remainder is your numerator. It's your leftover pieces, your leftover parts. Now that we have it correctly labeled, it's much easier to create the mixed number. This is the part where students sometimes make mistakes because they get confused as to where each number belongs. So if you just take a quick little label until you get this memorized, you'll get it right every time. So we have 4 with a remainder, we said is our numerator of 1. And all you have to do is just bring over that denominator. We have thirds. That will not change. All right. Our final answer is 4 1/3. Great job. Pause the video. Write the next problem down. You have 27 fourths. 27 fourths. Again, improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. Larger numerator than denominator. So we have to what? We have to divide. This time I'm going to use the box method. I know some people prefer that method. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. Excuse me, bring up. I personally prefer for students to use this strategy. It's the strategy that I believe, and data also shows from my students, that they have most mastery. Okay, the accuracy is pretty good using this strategy. So we have 27. Again, A. Remember we said A goes in the house, B, he's outside. Okay. So inside, I'm going to put 27. I have 2 digits, so I need 2 spaces. So I just split the box in half. A space for each digit. We'll put 2 here, 7 here. And 4, again, denominator to be outside. Follow the same steps. Instead of bring down, you're going to bring up. 4 goes into 2. Can 4 people share 2 spoons? Ew. That's disgusting. So I use that silly question. Students always get this first step right doing that. If they ask that question, they'll know if they have a higher number than 0. Okay. We say no, they cannot. So it's 0 times. After we divide, we multiply. 0 times 4 is 0. After we multiply, we subtract. After we subtract, we what? Bring up. Bring up. Repeat this process. Again, 4 goes into 27, or 27 divided by 4. Can 4 people share 27 spoons? Yes, that's plenty. They have a lot of spoons each. Okay. So 4 goes into 27. How many times? Hopefully you know your multiplication facts. Or we're going to say, 7 times or 6 times? 6 times 4 is, hopefully you said 24. 7 times 4 is 28, right? That's too much. So let's do 6. Very good. Then we multiply. 6 times 4. Again, we said was 24. Subtract. After you multiply it, 6 times 4, 24. Then you subtract it, right? Let's subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. You can clearly see you're done. The reason why this strategy for division is a lot better as far as the mastery is because students do not make this mistake of stopping too soon when they're dividing. I see that mistake in traditional division all the time. All right, so now label. We said that 6, we're going to put the letter what? Hopefully you said W. And then for the 3, our remainder, we're going to put the letter N. We have 6, remainder 3. So as a mixed number, that will be 6. And then the numerator goes there. Our remainder is the numerator. And then, of course, that denominator, easy peasy. Just bring that over. All right, great job. 6 and 3/4. Practice saying these mixed numbers correctly. 6 and 3/4. Great job. Let's do one more. Pause the video. If you're on notebook paper, you can number them. Our last one is 52 fifths. 52 fifths. Again, this is a what type of fraction? Hopefully you said improper. So we have to what operation are fractions? Hopefully you said division. Yes, you have to divide. I have 2 digits. So I'm going to need 2 spaces. And some of you may know your facts very well. So you're going to get to a point where you can do this sometimes in your head. You can create the mixed number. Okay, so we're going to divide. 5 goes into 5. Can 5 people share 5 spoons? Yes, they'll get 1. Okay, 1 times 5 is 5. After we multiply, we subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. After we subtract, we bring up that 0 and repeat the process. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring up, and repeat. 5. Can 5 people share 2 spoons? Ew, they cannot. Then we multiply. 0 times 5 is 0. Then we subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. All right, we're done. We know that this is our remainder. Up here, this is the whole number. You basically put it together, okay? You put that together. That's the number 10. So we have 10. We're going to put the letter W. We know that's our whole number. The remainder, we're going to put the letter what? Hopefully you say N. And then we're going to create our mixed number. And that will be our final answer. 10 and 2/5. All right. This skill usually takes a while, so please refer back to this video when you're doing homework, extra practice, you're trying to show it to mom and dad or whomever is helping you. Show them this video and play it as much as you need to. All right. I'll catch you all later in the crew.